one you are. Gee, Hefty, what can I do?
Here, Clumsy. You can tie this rope around Nat.
Sure, Hefty.
Clumsy! Oh, poor Clumsy. If only I treated him better when he was alive. If only I hadn't constantly and repeatedly called him a bumbling inept.
He's okay!
He's okay? Hi, little birdie. Clumsy Smurf. You get up here this instant, you bumbling inept.